Welcome to Uuriel'S kitchen where we got the food going and the jams flowing. I actually never know which order I say that in. I feel like I change it up every time. But anyway, so today I'm going to attempt to make a chicken stir fry. I thought I bought chicken breasts, but it seems I bought these chicken strips, and I'm glad I did because that just made my life a whole lot easier. So yay for not having to cut chicken. So I made a mistake and it was a good one. So yeah, I really have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go for it. Alright, so the recipe that I found said that you should start by marinating your meat in some soy sauce. So I got some here soy sauce, and I'm gonna put the chicken up in there with the soy sauce, you know what I'm saying? I'm making this meal for the week, so hopefully it turns out good. If not, then I'm gonna have to eat crappy food all week. Like last week, I tried to just make, I feel like my music's too loud. I tried to make just like chicken breasts on the stove, and that mess came out so dry. It was so disappointing eating dry chicken every day for dinner. Yeah, so hopefully this turns out good this week so I don't have to be depressed eating boo-boo chicken, teriyaki, not chicken teriyaki, what am I making? Chicken stir fry. Alright, so I got my chicken right here, and I guess we'll set that to the side for now. And yeah, look at them, looking all nice and juicy up in there. Ooh, looking like some parts of meat that I want to eat. Alright, so the vegetables that I chose for this are carrots, these wild green onions, I think those are what those are, broccoli, and a red bell pepper. I chose vegetables that I thought that I would actually eat. So yeah, I don't know how this gonna taste, but that's what I chose to put in my stuff. You can put whatever you want, I don't care what you do, but I'ma do me. Okay, let's get to like cleaning these and cutting them. Oh Lord, I'm not ready for this. It's too much. All right, got my cutting board ready, got my knife ready, got my vegetable ready. Finna gonna wanna get cut. Welcome, my first victim. You gonna wanna get cut. Yo! Do you cut this? Do you keep this? I don't know. I'm gonna cut it off though. For those of you who are new to my channel, I do not know how to cook whatsoever. So it's just me being a hot mess. Not knowing what I'm doing, so. Don't expect much. Alright. About these seeds though, do I keep them? Do I throw them out? How does this work? I'm gonna just, whoa, that smell be stronger than it. I don't know what to do with this. I'll just cut it this way for now. There's it in the result, my beautiful julienne peppers. I believe that's this cut. It's called julienne, something like that. Lord! Alright, I'm about to go for these carrots next. These are some big old carrots, yo. Are you supposed to, like, peel carrots? I don't know if you're supposed to, but I'm going to. You're like, you're supposed to just peel everything in life. I don't have a peeler, obviously, so I'm using this giant butcher knife. Hopefully I don't slice nothing off my body. Heartbreaker, you got the best of me, but I just keep on coming back incessantly. Oh, why did you have to run your game? Oh, right from the start, you go and break my heart. Yo, hit the notes all on point. Mariah Carey voice on fleek. Alright, done my carrots. Good and finished. I love carrots. I forgot. I like carrots. Alright, I'm gonna assume I'm supposed to like chop this thing off here to set all these little broccoli souls free. So that's what I'm gonna go with. That's my observation of how to deal with broccoli. Oh look, that little soul. A soul done been set free. 2 souls done been set free. Oh, 3 souls set free. 4, 5. You're welcome. You're welcome, spirit. I let you go. I'm gonna get your friends free next. Please break them off. That's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna cut it again because that'll be quicker. There you go. Those little free. They got their freedom. Got that canola oil, premium, cause I'm bad. Only use the best ingredients. Premium oil. Just kidding. I don't know if that was a tablespoon or not, but we just gonna put enough to like grease the bottom of the pan up. Oh no, here we go with the popping. Chill with that popping. Chill with that popping. I hope this will come out super dry. I would be so depressed. I would just be so hurt. Where my Toya Toyas at? I need the Toya Toyas. There we go, got the Toya Toyas. These are my best friends. My favorite cookie too, the Toya Toyas. Just gonna flip it nice and easy. So far, not burnt. So far, not burnt. This fire is like super low though. I feel like I should turn up a little bit, but I'm afraid I'm gonna burn it. Decisions, life choices. I don't know what to do. 1, 2, 3, It's 21 all day, bruh. It's my homies. Smells good. Woo! To come back home. Come back home. Come, baby, baby, come, baby. Come, baby, baby, come. Come, baby, baby, come, baby. Come, baby, baby, come. Alright, I cut these mugs in half to see what's popping in here. See if they cook or not. Oh my god! This looks good. I think I did it. That was good. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Come on! I may have successfully cut this chicken with, cooked this chicken without drying it out. It's still pretty juicy. The pieces look pretty well cooked. Let me hurry and get these out before I end up drying them out. Alright, transfer this big bowl over here. Alright, time to add the vegetables. I washed the pan out and put more new oil in it. A little bit. It said to cook the vegetables first. That would take the longest. And I just assumed carrots would because they're like super thick compared to the other stuff. So I don't know, we'll see. Alright, I've added my peppers in here. My broccoli looking nice and green. It was looking real pathetic for a hot minute. But it's actually like starting to like green up. Ooh, look at all vibrant and stuff. Lord. Alright, about to add these peppers. Not peppers, what are these? Onions. I don't even like onions. I smell good. Y'all like Ariana Grande? That's my girl. That's my girl. Alright. This is definitely not jam for Ariel's kitchen. Alright, I'll put this chicken back in here. Think these vegetables look ready. This is not big enough. Pan. Oopsies. I put a little bit more soy sauce in here. Oops, I missed the pan on the slit. Cut this down. Put all this food in here. But this looks really good. I definitely have more chicken than I probably should. I probably should have added some more vegetables. I thought this would be enough. But what else? Y'all, this actually looks like a decent meal. I'm really excited. I think I made one at life just for once today. Guess we'll see when we taste it though. Y'all, tell me my food don't look good right now. Get it from that angle. Get it from that angle. Get it from this angle. Get it from this angle. Bruh, don't tell me that don't look delicious. Don't tell me you don't want to jump to that screen right now and eat my food. I'm so proud. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever created. Alright, got my microwave rice. Because I don't have a rice cooker and I don't even eat rice that often anyway, in my house at least. So I got these little microwave rice pack cup things. And yeah. So got my rice, got beans in it or whatever. So it's healthy. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Ah. Well, here's my final product. This looks so good. I'm so happy. Thanks for cooking with me in my successful kitchen. Not a single thing burnt today. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there.